In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a page performance report in Looker Studio using GA4 data. To get started, you'll need access to your website's GA4 property and Looker Studio, formerly known as Google Data Studio, with the necessary permissions. Additionally, consider which metrics and dimensions are important to you, such as page views, user engagement, and bounce rate. Let's dive into the process. First, open Looker Studio and start a new report. Head over to Looker Studio and sign in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, click on Create and then select Report. It's good practice to name this report something you'll recognize, like Page Performance Report, ensuring you'll know its purpose at a glance. Now let's connect to your GA4 data source. In the Add Data to Report panel, look for Google Analytics among the available connectors. Select this, then choose your GA4 property and the specific data stream you'd like to analyze. If prompted, be sure to authorize any necessary permissions to establish the connection smoothly. With your data source set up, we can move on to adding charts and visuals that depict page performance effectively. Consider the different elements you'd like to display. For example, scorecards are perfect for a quick, high-level overview, showcasing metrics such as total page views, unique page views, and average engagement time. To compare performance across individual pages, create a table listing features like page path or page title alongside metrics such as page views, entrances, and bounce or exit rates. A bar chart or column chart can visually compare your top pages by either page views or engagement, providing a clear visual contrast. Lastly, a time series chart can help you track page views over time or engagement per page, revealing trends and patterns. To ensure you're analyzing the right data, set up your dimensions and metrics. You'll want to use page path or page title for dimensions in your tables and charts, breaking down the data by individual pages. For metrics, include page views, users, engaged sessions, average engagement time, and either bounce rate or exit rate. Enhance your report's functionality by adding filters or controls. A date range control allows you and other viewers to select the specific time period of interest. You can also add filters to limit the dataset, perhaps by excluding admin or 404 pages. For more detailed comparisons, consider a drop-down control for device type or country. Pay attention to styling and layout. Arrange charts and tables for optimal readability. Use consistent fonts and colors and ensure each section or chart has a meaningful title. Clearly label metrics like AVG engagement time seconds, so viewers understand the data they're seeing. If you prefer a shortcut, templates might be your solution. Looker Studio, alongside platforms like Supermetrics, offers GA4 templates preloaded with many common charts. Simply get a template, connect it to your GA4, and modify as needed. This can significantly save you time. Finally, once your report is set up, share it with stakeholders using a link or schedule it for email distribution. Configure the data to refresh automatically, ensuring it stays current. Periodically verify the metrics are accurate, checking the integrity of your tagging and tracking systems to avoid issues like broken page paths. And that's how you create a page performance report in Looker Studio using GA4 data.